let's find the least common denominator, and well, first of all, we don't have any negative exponents. Now let's find the least common denominator. Least common denominator is going to be 2x, x, and 2. So 2x, 2x, 2x. Let's put it in parentheses for fun. I always like to look for negative exponents first, make sure I don't need to get them out of the way. And I don't. So let's move on. 2 cancels with 2, x cancels with x cancels with x, 2 cancels with 2. I really hope at this point you're trying these on your own and you are, switch to blue. Wait, I was already writing in blue. And you are doing this as independently as possible. 3 times x, 6 times 2, I see a GCF. 16 minus x squared. Ooh, okay, I saw a GCF and so did you. We'll factor that out. Now, that also means we're going to have a denominator that we should probably deal with. Maybe. Should we? Let's do it. If we factor a -1 out of this, it's going to reverse the order of that, which would give us, let's skip a step, x squared minus 16. I don't want x squared minus 16. I can factor that into x plus 4 and x minus 4, which means that something's about to cancel, and that something is quite obvious. And that's what we're left with. Now, if you want to, you could write it as 3 over negative x plus 4. Or you could put the negative in front of the whole fraction, or you could put it on the 3. Either way. If you're going to put it in the denominator, you need parentheses. Let's put it right there. All right, let's go to the next problem. Try it on your own. Please, please, please. This one's looking kind of crazy. All right, double checking to make sure I copied it correctly, and I did. Let's move on. The least common denominator is x squared, 3x, and 3x squared. Okay, let's think about that. 3x squared goes into 3x squared. 3x goes into 3x squared. X squared goes into 3x squared. All the factors you need to take care of are within the 3x squared. So 3x squared, 3x squared, 3x squared, 3x squared. I'm going to put that in parentheses because it's a binomial and it just feels better to do that. All right, let's start canceling. 3x squared cancels with 3x squared, nothing here. X squared cancels with x squared. 3x cancels with, I made a mistake. I hope you see it and I hope you fix it along with me. Here goes. That is going to go on the outside. Ooh, somebody made a mistake. There we go. It was 3x squared, not 3x all squared. Okay, 3x cancels with 3x squared, and that your 3 is gone, and one of those exponents goes away. It reduces by 1, and that leaves us with 4 times 3. These can get sloppy. 1 times 3x squared, negative 1 times 3x squared. All right, x plus 7 times x. Let's not get too carried away. And then plus 10. Plus 10. Done. All right. Denominator. X squared, 7x, 10. Numerator. Let's factor out a GCF of a -3. That's going to give us x squared minus 4. Things are going to continue to factor, so let's do it. -3, x plus 2, x minus 2. I'm not happy with the way that 2 turned out, but it's all right. I did my best. That's all anyone can ask. X plus 2, x plus 5. I don't mean to body shame that 2. I'm sure it has a nice personality. All right, we're going to cancel this 2 with this 2. I shouldn't have said that. Cancel x plus 2 with x plus 2. You need to use my correct mathematical language, or my high school math teacher and find this video and say, Adam, you know better. There we go. That's what we're dealing with. That was it right there.